Hey everybody, one of our favorite holidays is coming up, Rosh Hashanah, and traditionally one of the things we eat with that is apples and honey. So of course we got to add oils with everything that we do. So I wanted to share just a quick recipe with you on how we make that. So first thing you need is some apples. If you can go and pick your own, that's always fun. That's a fun family tradition that we do. And the other thing is some local honey. So it doesn't have to be local honey, but of course local honey is always better. And then cinnamon and wild orange are the two oils that we use with it. And I'll show you what we do. So real quick, we just cut up the apple. And I just like to cut it into wedges. And then, trim off the seeds there. And then we put them around the plate like so. And for the honey, you're just gonna do a few scoops of honey in here. This honey's been sitting on the shelf for a little bit, so it's a little crystallized, but that's okay. If your honey gets crystallized, you just warm it up in warm water and it goes back to normal. Don't throw it out. And then 2 drops of wild orange, or 3, whatever comes out. And 2 drops of cinnamon. And then stir that up. And that just adds some fun flavor to your honey. It also gives you the benefits of the essential oils. And then you just dip the apples in it and eat it. And that's it. It's pretty easy. All right, thanks guys.